If you are wondering if you can expect bloatware on Realme Note 70T, then the answer is unfortunately yes. I just did the initial configuration, and many apps have been pre-installed for me, even though I didn't really want that. So, for example, you can find a bunch of different games installed over here. This is right after the initial configuration, and I think there are still many more apps coming, unfortunately. And not only games, but also some various different apps as well, such as Temu, the TikTok app, and Netflix is there, Facebook of course, there is Booking.com, AliExpress, Amazon, and so on and so forth. So, as you can see, a bunch of different apps that I didn't want to be installed. Well, there was nothing that allowed me to choose actually. They just have been pre-installed for me, and that's pretty much it. Of course, we can uninstall pretty much all of them, or at least most of them, I believe. So even if you find that annoying, at least we can get rid of it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.